Hi, I'm Weather Analyst Andrew Fleck, just around your Wednesday evening for our evening weather map outlook, and we're going to continue to update you on the current process and track of the remnants of former hurricane and tropical storm Ida that is continuing to really maul the whole entire eastern coast at this still same hour and time frame. And we're going to actually go into this video and fairly do a very quick video today, talk about what's kind of going on. Radar imagery appears to be looking around the same. The one very fun thing that points out to me is this snow across the higher elevations of the West Virginia mountains, and that's a good indication how strong the mid-level and upper-level winds are. When you have a low down here, a low off the coast, they're bringing that northeastern winds across and into the storm. So you're talking about some cold and higher elevational winds probably pushing down on those mountains. That's probably causing it to rain and maybe snow to be mixing in. I don't think it's going to be a major issue, but some folks in the higher elevations have probably seen some flakes falling down, so that is that's pretty awesome to see. But the bigger story that's not awesome is this coastal storm that is continuing to just rattle the whole entire eastern seaboard. And this low pressure right here isn't really the main one, but as much as this one right down here. That one's going to be the one that's going to continue to shift up to the northeast around Virginia Beach, Delaware, Maryland tomorrow. It's going to cause a lot of havoc. Given the models, things are going to be looking worse tomorrow. Given the beach erosion, coastal flooding, high winds, it's not going to be a very promising day tomorrow. In fact, it could be a little worse for beach erosion and etc. than it actually was tonight, as winds are going to probably get higher. But looking at the wave heights off the wavelength model, we're going to see here that tomorrow afternoon, that there are going to be some 15 to 20 foot waves across the Jersey Shore, Delaware, Maryland. And folks, if you're across that area and you happen to be near the beach, feel free to send a picture or video capture into analysiswx.com. Feel free to email any of the following. You could email me, you could email any of the following contacts, list the photos or videos of really this storm and the impressive waves, erosion, winds. Feel free to do that. We're here to update everybody on the storm and what it's doing. If you can't get to the website, feel free to turn on the TV, put on your weather outlook, area outlook, the weather channel, etc. They're going to help you through this storm if you are across the coastal areas. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be one very, very impressive storm. It has been, and it's going to continue to be. And the one thing that's going to progressively get worse is you go from the heavy rain to now the storm moving off the coast, and that's when the storm is going to start to pound the coast now tomorrow, Thursday, with heavy winds, heavy rain again, and really bad coastal flooding. So I can't stress that enough, but if you are across the coast, really take some shelter, move away, make sure you're prepared if you do have to perhaps settle for an emergency move. Other than that, I'm going to pretty much end the video with that. But before I do, I'm going to go through two terms before tomorrow, and the first term is going to be coastal flooding. What is coastal flooding? Well, coastal flooding is a strong onshore wind that is expected to produce minor coastal flooding and possibly moderate to severe coastal flooding along the portions of the Atlantic or Chesapeake Bay shoreline. That is what we expect tomorrow. We expect pounding, very tightly millibarred winds from the east and northeast. We expect 15 to 20 foot waves. It's going to be the worst day possible. The second term is going to be high wind warning, a warning for sustained surface winds greater than 40 miles per hour, lasting more than an hour, with winds over 58 miles per hour over land that are either predicted or occurring for an unspecified period of time. We do expect that as well tomorrow. So again, I can't stress enough how much this needs to be taken seriously. This is a big time nor'easter. This is going to drop a lot of rain, a lot of erosion, a lot of coastal flooding, very high winds. There will be damage. Of course, we're seeing the storm now, but I expect it to get a little worse yet. And there's definitely going to be a lot of power outages and a lot of problems tonight, tomorrow, and as your day goes on. So that is it for your Wednesday night storm outlook. I hope you guys stay safe and keep continuing to look at the latest footage of analysiswx.com and your area weather services. So I am Weather Analyst Andrew Fleck. Hope you guys have a nice night and a nice Thursday, and I'll talk to you on Thursday. Be safe out there.